Used to be $50, is now $500. That's crazy looking. Yeah! We literally just bought a shark egg. Oh, dude, it's here already. All right, we got. Oh,
so weird.
That is crazy, dude. What is going on, Cuffaro? Welcome back to another video. Today is the day. I promised you guys a couple videos back that if the video had gotten 30,000 likes, I would go and purchase a shark egg. Today's the day we get that shark egg. I'm gonna throw you over to Andy's shop where I actually saw shark eggs as I was going to pick up something for my shark egg, and then straight into the video we go. All right, I'm here at Andy's shop. We got the little clip that we're gonna need for the shark egg to hang, and he's got one actually hanging right here. He sold 6 this week, he said. And as you can see, there's a little shark. Sick. That is awesome. Obviously, these ones are a bit bigger. They've been here for a little bit, but we're hopefully about to hatch one ourselves. All right, Cuffaros, we're here at the computer, and it's time to go on TopShopAquatics.com and search for what we're gonna buy today. And we all know what that is. It's the shark egg. Instead of driving 2.5 hours all the way there, we're gonna order it online and have it delivered to the house along with a couple other things. Corals, maybe a couple fish. We'll see. We're gonna do some saltwater fish tank shopping. Look at it, it's right over there. There's the tank, baby. Yeah! So take a look at this. You can actually see on this website, they have the fish actually moving as their pictures. So look, our shark. Yeah. That's the shark that we're gonna get right there. He's moving. Shop corals. Let's go to LPS because this is a starter tank and that's what they suggested to me. I don't know who designed this, but props to you. Look at this website. Wow, okay. Steve, what am I getting? What do you suggest, Steve? I'm letting you pick one. Add to cart. Boom.
Yeah.
We are now at 300.
And then Zoas, you can go into the softies section.
Okay, softies section.
Yeah, and then, oh, that one right there is really cool.
Right here?
That candy corn. Yeah, and that moves. That's got like little flowers.
Okay,
and stuff.
candy corn.
Yeah, well, so those are fully aquaculture too.
Dude, this website is nuts, bro.
They swim.
They snapped. Bro! Oh, dude, I want Tang so bad, but I can't do it. I can't.
You can't?
Like something like this?
There's a yellow one?
$500. Why he's banned on exporting fish.
That fish at our farm.
Used to be $50, is now $500.
But you just can't get them now, like at all. We have a tank-raised yellow tank. I would rather see you get one of those than the Hawaii one. They're a little bit smaller as well. And we can do that maybe next time. I can get them uploaded. To be honest with you.
Let's get some corals. Let's get the colors going in this tank, huh?
Oh, yeah. So that's a mother colony. That's what it looks like when it grows into.
Wow.
Cut to order frag. Okay, beautiful. Purchased.
Well, we do have a live sale this weekend too, which is really cool. We're going to be putting 4,000 corals on the site and literally giving away corals. There's going to be $5 corals, $10 corals. It's crazy. There's like literally thousands of people on this site and they kind of all go crazy.
That's beautiful. All right, well, I'll definitely leave the link down below for that sale 100% if you guys want to click it. What time? Saturday and Sunday, 11 a.m. to 11 p.m. on the website. The link is down below. Make sure to tune in so you can get your steals on corals. 100% steals. Just bought that sucker right there. Our current cart is $674, Steve. We're having a great time here. Blue eye star polyps.
$10 corals
And it's cheap.
$5,000.
All right, Steve, thank you so much. All right, see you, bro. Peace. Dude, shopping is so fun. We're at $710. It's honestly not too bad. A lot of these are small, so keep in mind they're small right now. They're gonna grow. That's really cool. This is really cool. We're gonna add both these.
This is pretty cool.
Bam, bam. We're buying all 3 of those. 20 more. That's crazy looking.
Looks tiny.
I'd honestly be afraid to put that in my house. This is our first starfish, so we're gonna do it. Sand sifting starfish. Boom, added to cart.
Long term, those starfish are a 50-50 shot as well.
Okay, it's kind of like the shark egg.
But, you know, yeah.
So a lot of it's aquaculture, right?
Yeah.
So a lot of it's grown there at TopShop or at their farm, which is right across the street. I think we're gonna end right here, $936.28. I'm gonna put all my info in, and this box will be here tomorrow morning. So I'll pick up the camera then. Don't forget the link's down below. That sale's going on this weekend. I left them a little note. Here is our order. We have the shark egg, of course. That's #1 buy. That's what I'm most excited about. We have a lot of corals. So coral, that's a coral, lots and lots of corals. and then hermit crabs, and a starfish. And the subtotal is $936. I don't even know exactly what kind of shark it is. I assume it's gonna be like a little bamboo shark or something.
It's gonna be like a white shark or something.
Yeah, a freaking bull shark comes out of it and just starts eating everything in the tank. We literally just bought a shark egg. Is that not crazy to anyone else? I can't wait. Oh. Dude, it's here already. It is literally like 9 a.m. the next morning. We got it all. Daddy Cuffaro LLC, baby. Let's go. Ooh. It's time. They send a little quick tip for acclimating. Oh, here we go. All of our stuff is in here. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. What's the first thing we're gonna grab? Hammer coral. Woo! All right, we got 2 corals. We're gonna lay everything out right here. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Lots. Oh, wow. Is this more coral? I didn't know we got so much coral. Yep, more coral. 4 more corals.
Did you get
Look at that starfish, bro. Starfish is freaking sick. Oh, there it is. Look at this, look at this, look at the writing. Shark egg. Sheesh. That is so crazy looking. There you go, bud. I got the starfish right here. I'm gonna put this guy in. Oh, he did. That was sick. He's moving if you look closely. Look at the Midas blenny, how beautiful that
Where's your
fish is.
eel? You put your eel no? The
Not
eel?
yet.
No?
No. Oh, the eel's coming. I mean, I got the zebra eel. If you don't know what that looks like, here's what it looks like. I have that from my old saltwater tank at the old house. I just can't get it until there's a lid on the tank because they like to get out. They're actually one of the least likely eels to climb out of an aquarium and or eat tropical fish. They don't really eat fish. They love crabs, crustaceans, but I just don't want to risk having that eel for all these years and then it just crawls out. There's really a perfect hole in the rock. Just goes right in it. I'm swapping this one for that. All right, so we're having a problem with the corals here because I don't have glue. I don't have glue. I totally forgot to get glue. I'm just gonna put them in the sand. Honestly, I'm gonna put them in the sand until I can get glue and actually put them where I want them to go. Everything is so pretty. So we just put all the corals into the tank. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 corals total. We line them up at the bottom here in the substrate, only because I'm gonna call Tommy because he's got the glue and the experience to know exactly where to place these corals exactly precisely. But this is what I was excited about right here. This shark egg. I cannot wait for this. I actually didn't want to even ask Steve what shark it was exactly because I want that to be a surprise to not only myself, but you watching. So that'll be fun when it hatches. We have no idea what it is. Brown banded bamboo shark is most likely the species it is, or some sort of bamboo shark. Mia, you're not as excited about this as I am, huh? Stretching. Okay. Now, although we're gonna get into the facts about this shark egg, I can't wait any longer. I gotta get this thing out of the bag and into the tank, and then we'll talk about some facts about shark eggs once it's clipped on the side of the tank. It's a big moment. We're about to open up our new shark egg. A straight up shark. We do not want to take this shark egg out of the water at all. It risks getting air into the egg, and you don't want that. So we have to do everything underwater.
So weird.
That is crazy, dude. There we go. It's in. The shark egg is inside the aquarium. So as you can see, we have it clipped at the top, and that is where it'll eventually come out of, right there at the bottom. I just can't believe we have a shark egg, and let alone a shark egg, a bunch of corals lined up at the bottom, but that's crazy. Now, what kind of shark do you think this is? Comment down below. No. It's definitely moving in there, and we are definitely going to put a light behind it in this video. iPhone in a Ziploc. You can really see the yolk. You don't really see much of a shark. I'm gonna put the lights back to the way they were. This is crazy though. I can't believe this just happened. We have a shark egg. Now, some facts about shark eggs. If this in fact is the brown-banded bamboo shark, it should take around 120 days to hatch, and I believe that is the shark it is, because if you see an egg in a pet store, like 90% of the time, it is the brown-banded bamboo shark. I'm gonna assume it's that, and if it's not and it hatches something else even cooler, we'll have some more facts about what does hatch, but we're gonna go with the BBB. We're gonna go with the BBBS. They can go up to 3 to 4 feet long and live up to 25 years. Now, my buddy Nick actually has a couple of these sharks in his pond, and when it gets too big for my tank, which is 300 gallons, so it'll be months and months till then, but we will bring it there and let him live a happy life with his other brown-banded bamboo sharks and horn sharks and other cool sharks that he has there. Now, if you look really closely, you'll see this little darker section right here. That is the yolk inside of the egg. That yolk will actually be the shark's food as he is developing inside the egg. Once he's consumed all that yolk inside there, that's when he'll just pop out the bottom of the egg right here and into his aquarium. So the yolk is what's providing him food while he's sitting in that little egg. This is like having a real life child, but not knowing the gender until you have it. That's what I'm doing with the shark. I'm just not knowing the shark until it's hatched. I think that's the coolest way to do it. Now, as you can see, I have clipped my egg. That's what I chose to do. You could do one of two things. You can either clip it from the top, which is right there where you don't want to clip it here because that's where he's gonna escape the egg, but you can clip it from the top or you can clip it from the side right here. In the wild, they'll actually just obviously come out of the mother and sink to the bottom and kind of sit on rocks or sand beds, which if I only had the shark egg in this aquarium and just the shark egg, I probably would just lay it on the sand, but I have, you know, starfish, hermit crabs, snails, a bunch of stuff that I don't want messing with the egg, so we're just gonna clip it like we have. You want to handle these eggs like the least amount you can. Obviously, I literally just touched it coming out of the bag, clipped it, and that's probably the last time I'll touch it until it's a baby shark and it's hatched, and I probably won't even touch it then because it'll be in the fish tank. Speaking about when it does hatch, if we have trouble feeding, oh, look at the starfish. Starfish is walking around right now. And all the corals are out. If we have trouble feeding this shark when he does come out, say he doesn't want to eat, I heard and looked up online, one of the best foods to feed them are those little ghost shrimp that we have gotten actually to feed the fish in the past, these little tiny ghost shrimp. But let's just keep our fingers crossed, hope we don't have any issues, and let's hope this thing hatches because there is a good chance that it won't. I mean, it's obviously a living shark in there, but things do happen. If by chance the shark is trying to get out and he's struggling, that's the only time you'll really, you know, have to cut the egg and obviously be very careful doing so. But hopefully we don't have to do any of that. Thank you all so much for watching. I mean, we literally have a shark egg in our massive 300-gallon saltwater aquarium, but I'm not done yet. I have something to show you, and it's next video. I don't know when the video will go live. Just subscribe down below, smash that like button. At 30,000 likes, if it hits that, I'll just post it right away. We have a pad for our 1,400 square foot building right now. Like literally there's a pad out there. I could see the size of what the building's gonna look like. Shark egg, baby, I told you. If you guys got 30,000 likes, I would've done it. Now subscribe so that you don't miss out on the journey of this little guy hatching.